The next time you perform a fresh installation of Windows, depending on your location, you may encounter N editions of Windows, such as Windows Pro N, Home N, and so forth. I would also like to mention that a few years ago you might have come across KN versions, but what do these designations mean? It's actually quite straightforward. Every N and KN version of Windows is essentially identical to its non-N counterpart, except that it lacks Windows Media Player and several other media related features. I will delve into exact distinctions later, as I have meticulously researched all the packages that are not included behind the scenes. So why are these editions labeled N? Well, it simply stands for Not with Windows Media Player. On the other hand, KN is a version specifically tailored for Korea, with the K representing Korean. But why does Microsoft offer these different editions? The answer lies in necessity, not choice. You see, starting with Windows XP in 2004, the European Commission for the European Union determined that Microsoft held a monopoly and was misusing Windows Media Player, particularly by promoting it as a feature which was stifling competition from other media players. Consequently, they mandated that Microsoft produce a version of Windows devoid of Windows Media Player. In 2005, a Korean court made a similar ruling requiring a Windows version without Windows Media Player known as KN. The primary difference with KN is that it includes only English and Korean language. As for the N edition mandated by European Union, it appears to have no expiration date and will likely persist indefinitely. Now let's delve into precise difference between N and non-N version. To conduct this evaluation, I used Windows 11 Pro and August 2023 version of the installer ISO. I employed the PowerShell command get apx package to list all the installed packages on the Windows computer. After comparing and cross-referencing the package's name with the Microsoft Store, I compiled a list of packages present in Windows 11 Pro, but absent in Windows 11 Pro N. The discrepancies are quite predictable. Notably, Windows Media Player is referred to as Zune Music and Zune Video in some instances, a nostalgic throwback. Additionally, there are codec extension, Xbox related components, sound record. Microsoft also provide a user-friendly version of this list on their website, which includes Skype, though it didn't come pre-installed on my system. The absence of sound-related function and inability to play various types of videos are among the repercussions. The snipping tool works, but screen recording is unavailable, among other limitations. Therefore, opting for the N edition entails not only missing feature but also impairing several other functionalities. However, Microsoft does offer a solution, the Media Feature Pack. You can access this through the optional features in Windows 10 or 11. But please note that it won't appear unless you have the N edition. Even after installing the Media Feature Pack, you might need to manually reinstall specific programs such as Codecs, VP9, Web Media Extensions, Skype, Windows Movie and TV, Windows Media Player, Xbox Game Bar, and the Windows Voice Recorder, all of which can be obtained from Microsoft Store. I also located a Microsoft page where you could directly download the Media Feature Pack for Windows 10. While I couldn't find a Windows 11 version, it provides insight into the content. The file is in MSU format, which can be opened with WinRAR or 7-zip. After filtering out redundant language-specific packages, I arrived at the concise list. To sum up, Windows N edition are essentially the same as their non-N counterpart, except for the absence of Windows Media Player and related features. Microsoft was compelled to create these versions due to legal mandates in Europe and Korea. While you can partially restore the missing features with the Media Feature Pack, some manual reinstalls may be necessary. I hope this detailed explanation has clarified the distinction between these Windows editions. If you found this information helpful, please give a video a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.